Mele Kalikimaka! Merry Christmas! Welcome back! 3 boxes to open up, new packages today. Same boxes, new package. Day 4. Woo! Hope everyone's doing well. We're going to start today with Soft Squares Box B. Because it feels so good. It is squishable, it folds, it's got a kind of a square shape there. Or fabric maybe. Yes, I hope so. Let's open it up and see. Yes, it is. Look at this delicious fabric. Ooh, and it's so soft. Oh, it's beautiful. It is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my. Fill the screen with goodness here. Look at that. Yay! Quilters are happy today. Yes, they are. All you sewers and quilters and piecers and oh, this is jolly, very jolly. Great choice, day 4, soft squares. Yes. All right. Let's talk about yesterday's. We had that wonderful little traveling size combo 28mm rotary cutter with a tape measure in it. The research on that tells me it's $13 if you go out and buy it retail. And again, just to let you know, hey, if you go on there and it says $12.99, hey, it's $13, okay? It's just keep the math simple. And if they get rid of the penny, we all know it's going to become $13 anyway. But this is $13. And so subtracting that from with the other 2 days, day 1, day 2, and day 3, subtracting those totals from what we paid for the B box, that brings us down to $249. So it is really rocking it off the charts already here. It's really pegging it down. And then, of course, this here, I'm gonna have to measure it for sure. We'll have to add this on tomorrow. But this fabric is called, if somebody really wants to look it up, it is Ruby Star Society. And it looks to be about the normal 44 inches wide. And oh, wait, I take that back. Wait, how is this folded? That's a selvage there. Down here is the selvage. There we go. Selvage to selvage. Okay, that is correct. So this would be about 44 inches, but I thought it was, oh, no way. It is at least 2 yards, I think. It looks like it's at least 2 yards. Yes. Wow. Wow, I can't even hold it up. It's in there. And this is folded in half right now. Wow. Jeez, nice surprise. Nice surprise. Oh, I'm so glad we opened this one first. This is very cool. All right. This will help bring that total down. And I only do that so we can figure out whether we're getting our money's worth, right? Okay. We all want to, that's important. When we do this, it's important. Okay, so now let's look at Missouri Star. Look at a little baby Chuck back there on the stamp. Oh, it's a Santa hat. Feels hard. Feels like a template, or I don't know, hard like a template. I don't know that it is though. So let's open it up. I didn't feel this part of it. Bow Wow Meow mug rug pattern. Mug rug that you can make in the shape. Oh my gosh, that's why it was confusing me, because it was double thick, because you have a cat template. And you have a dog template. Woof. There you go. Oh, how cute are they? They are adorable. And you know what? The little 28 millimeters we got yesterday go really nicely into those little, like I said, that's my time. Sometimes you get into those little curves and you don't want to have to trace it and cut it, but you want to keep doing the rotary cutter. There you go. Oh, wow. And then to make your mug rugs. Can you see very well? Little kitties in yellow, doggies in blue there. They are adorable. Absolutely adorable. Plus you could put it on a quilt. Just use the little faces right there, and for animals. It's got all kinds of good uses. Ooh. Woot woot. This is going good. And Missouri Star is also doing well. And the fact that their boxes are $199.98, so we're going to say $200. And with adding day 1 and 2 to 3 yesterday, when I looked up the mix and match charm squares are running from Maywood about $15 for 42 the charm square pack. So I subtracted that with the other 2 days, and their total is now at about $141. So they are rocking it out. I'm sure we'll hit break even and go beyond it by midway. Excuse me. And then our Jolly Box. There it is. Of course, it doesn't come in any special packaging. You open the box and you just pull out the items in there for the project box. But it is that wonderful Italian thread Aurifil. We have a whole big spool of Aurifil here. It is not the skinny little one. It is not the super gigantic one either, but it's a nice, decent size. And yesterday, after adding the quilt pattern, or subtracting it from the total, we are $11 ahead of what we paid on the $60 box. So, in other words, we've gotten $71 worth of merchandise, and we still have tomorrow. So so far all the boxes are proving to be worth the money. We've gotten wonderful gifts that everyone's going, hey, I can use that. I hope you feel the same way I do. I get excited about it. I'm like, oh yeah. And it's a beautiful silver, the Mako 30 weight. Is it 30 weight? I thought it was. Trying to remember what the orange means. It's the weight number, but it's one we like to use. So that's good. Yay. And that brings us to an end. On my list to bring to school. Okay, never mind. I thought it was one more of mine. But it's just with them. That's all. I hope you have a wonderful, blessed day. I hope you find your joy. And then spread it around. All right. Love you all. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.